All right, so we're about to check out the hotel, and Robbie's feeling kind of like shit. But what he doesn't know, I got some cocaine.
2 hours. So you got coke?
I got fucking cocaine for you.
Give me some coke, man.
Yo,
It'll pick me up.
there's some cocaine for you.
Cocaine.
Give it a shot.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's see. Oh, you got the spicy cocaine, the spicy coke.
Yeah.
The cocaina. Okay.
A little bit of cocaine.
Oh my lord. Oh wow.
First time doing cocaine or what?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay.
No, seriously though.
Yeah, cocaine's hardcore, man.
Dude, my eyes feel dilated already. That was one sip.
Dude, so look what our hotel had the audacity to even give us. Like, they saw our IDs when we checked in. They know we're from California. And they still service us for breakfast. Fuck this shit. Hey, but at least the Jeep's brakes finally got fixed, so we're back in business, baby.
Back in business, baby. Woo! Back in business. Back on the road. On the road again. On the road again. Roll the window down. Damn! Damn! Build a dam! God damn! Okay, so here we are at the stadium in Danville, Kentucky. We went maybe 2 hours out of our way, hour and a half or so. Raining so hard it was dangerous. So we get here, and we're stoked. Finally get here. But no, the stadium ain't here no more. What happened to the stadium?
We'll give a full rundown on my channel.
Yo, what happened? This movie was just filmed not long ago. But this is the beginning of the scene. I mean, the beginning of the movie. The beginning scene of the beginning of the movie. She's running around the track in the beginning of the movie. So this was a really crucial scene. And we tried to get it from my boy Skaggs for his channel. But
Are you ready? Keep me running in this shit.
yeah, but now he's got to run, even though it's raining. Because that's what she's doing in the movie.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'll protect your book. I'll protect the book. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I think I might take a memento. He's doing it. He's breaking the world record. The Danville record has been broken in all of the state of Kentucky. Ah, it's raining so hard. Okay, and we are done filming for Rust Creek, but we are still like in Kentucky, in 6 or 7 states away, so we still have some filming spots to hit up for other movies. One thing we're going to do for sure is hit up the filming spots in Texas for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Not the original, but the remake from 2003. A little bit more superior in our opinion, but I don't know, that's controversial. But we're gonna be hitting up all the Texas Chainsaw locations. Not all of them, but the best ones. Hopefully it's not raining in Texas. I think it might be a little warmer in Texas. But in California, it's more rain I've ever seen in my whole entire life. All in one day. We're not built for this shit. We're built different. Found ourselves a little souvenir, a little piece of the track that she was running on. See, the track don't exist no more, so we gotta take it with us, whatever we can salvage.
All right.
Wonder if I can find something. Hope I can find the girl in the movie. We got the goods. We got the goods from this Chinese market. We actually got it a few days ago, but they're all actually expired from a few years ago. That's before January 2020, so it's 2 years old. 2 years old. But it's crab chips. Any reason why you got these? He surprised me with these the other day.
Crab is good.
Crab is good.
If it tastes like crab, that'd be wild. Because crab is like meat. You don't really see chips that taste like steak or
Yeah.
meat.
I don't think I've ever.
So,
Yeah. I think China is ahead of the game on this one. All right. So we got crab chips. And we got Lay's, but it's a Chinese Lay's that like. Oh, okay. It's in English right below. Numb and spicy hot pork flavor. I'm not afraid of spice. He's not afraid of spice. We both like pork. But what's the numbing part about?
I hope we don't go numb. I gotta drive fucking 3 states today.
I mean, we're just listening to Linkin Park, so if we do go numb, then we'll have to play the song Numb. Alright.
Become so
Numb.
This is some ramen, but we can't eat it right now. But when I do eat it, or we eat it, or whatever, we'll let you know. So which one you want to start with first?
Let's do crab.
Crab. All right, let's start with the crab. All right, let's look at the calories really quick in the nutrition facts. 1 serving per container. 1 serving per container. Okay, 260 calories. It's a little bit more than Doritos. But okay. Jeez. Oh, that smells disgusting. That smells like fish food. This smells like fish food, dude.
Yeah, they don't smell good.
These don't smell good at all. But hey, it don't matter. Even if it don't smell good, I still go down and eat it.
It smells like, honestly, it kind of smells the way I'd expect a crab chip to smell. So
Yeah. At least it's like still on brand, you know. So
I like it. Whoa. Did yours like melt in your mouth?
yeah,
What the fuck?
it like just dissolved into my mouth. Whoa.
That's crazy. These things like melt in your mouth.
This is not bad.
That is the weirdest thing ever.
Oh, it actually contains shrimp and crab. Crab season. Crab extract. Crab extract. Alright. This one is the Lay's Lemon Spicy. What do you think about that scent?
Ooh. It smells like curry.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like curry.
Alright.
I love curry.
Alright.
Do they look like Lay's?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, fuck. Can you grab that one? Did it fall? Did it fall off?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
This is really fucking good.
Ooh, that is spicy as fuck.
Really?
Oh my god.
I don't think it's. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Whew.
That is fire.
Yeah.
No pun intended.
No, I
Holy
don't-
Shit.
Dude,
These are so
man.
good. You won't find these anywhere.
You won't find these.
Good luck finding these.
Yeah.
guys. This is a fucking year old, so they might not even make these.
Damn, dude, these are so spicy. I'm sweating. Look at my shirt. No,
They're
just
good.
kidding.
They're very good.
The reason why we're so wet is because we just got done filming some scenes for the Rust Creek at the Rust Creek locations, and we finally filmed the last 2 scenes that we needed for this trip.
So you know what this is turning into? Texas Chainsaw Massacre
2003. The thing I noticed about Kentucky is it's kind of always just like drizzling.
Yeah.
Like even the air is just so moist that you're expected to get moist as well when walking through town or wherever you're going. I don't know, maybe it's just this time of year, but I have been to Missouri in the summer before, and it was also very, very humid. Oh, hot humid, it was awful.
That shit's fucking fire.
Yeah.
So overall, honestly, I'd give them both like 9s out of 10s. I really enjoyed both of them.
Yeah. We're definitely gonna devour all of these.
This one is spicy as fuck. The other one catches days.
We have about 12 and a half more hours on this drive, this one single drive alone. So we might get a little loony, a little toony. Yeah, I mean I'm already feeling like fucking I'm on crap. And of course I'm washing everything down with this lovely cocaine drink. This drink, I've never seen anything like this. Have you ever seen anything fucking as like horrendous and just in your face as a drink labeled cocaine with a big red can? Like this is beyond my. I was so shocked when I found this. I feel like I'm never gonna see this again in my life.
You should have bought like 2 of them.
2 or 3. Yeah, but they're really not that good. I mean, they're spicy, which we do love spice. They did just say we can handle our spices, but in a beverage,
like spicy drinks, like what the fuck?
yeah. The second it's like drinking like ramen broth. Like why would you do? I mean,
I do all the time.
but it's salty. This is sweet. This is sweet spicy. I didn't like it because the second I opened it and tried it this morning, it was like Pop Rocks. Like it hit my tongue and it like shot through my body. I mean, I am on energy. I do have energy now, but I don't know if it's exactly how I want it to happen. And there's even a warning label on here that says, "This message is for people who are too stupid to recognize the obvious. This product does not contain the drug, cocaine. Duh. This product is not intended to be an alternative to an illicit street drug, and anyone who thinks otherwise is an idiot." Wow. Anyone who thinks otherwise is an idiot. If this is an alternative to illicit street drug, this isn't an alternative to illicit street drug. It's mimicking cocaine because it gives you a fuck ton of energy. Like maybe. I mean, I get you have to put warning labels, but yeah, even on energy levels, it has 3.5 moles. But anyways, this is probably all we're gonna be able to film because it's about to get pitch black out and there's no houses or towns or lights anywhere. We are in the middle of the South.
And it's only like 3 o'clock, I think.
It's only like 3 o'clock. Yeah.
It's dark.
We will get an hour of sleep, but it is only like 3 o'clock and we're wet. It's about to get dark. I want to get a little bit of content in for you guys today because it's gonna be a fun day. Even though we're just gonna be on the road, we improvise. Anyways, we will see you guys in Texas. If you want to like, share, comment, subscribe, that'd be very, very awesome.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my
like,
goodness!
Comment and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my
Big
TikTok.
Bad Cities. Yes.
But you don't have to, because like I said, I don't give a fuck about you guys. These videos are for me. So go fuck yourself. Have a good life. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy living life with your friends because life is awesome. Don't take it for granted. Don't wait. Yeah.